Hey there, so this day I was really getting bored when I made this. Okay, so that's quite fun, right? So let's learn how I made this. So I'll start with a new project. Just follow my steps and you'll be able to make the exact same thing that I did. So quickly choose your favorite sprite. I'm going to choose Giga and reduce its size to size 60. Okay, and now if you don't know how you can draw something using the sprites, let me tell you that you can choose extensions in sprite if you're not sure from where to do that. So just look at this blocks corner and at the end you'll see this icon. Click over there, it says choose an icon. So from here you click on pen. Yes, now you get these blocks. Okay, so using these you can actually make anything draw. So firstly we need to be sure that how we can make the sprite move in a circular direction. Okay, so come to control and add repeat. Make it repeat for 25 times, right? Okay, now come to motion, add the move 10 steps block, then make it turn 15 degrees. So let's see what happens. So isn't it moving in a circular way? Exactly it is. Now we need to add the colors, right? So that we can draw the shape. Okay, firstly add the pen down one. Okay, once you add the pen down, see exactly now it draws a circle, a perfect circle. But look at the color and the thickness of the circle, so I don't really like it. So what I will do is I'll set the pen size to 10. Now if I draw it, I'm so sorry, I need to add it inside the repeat block. So yes, now that's perfect. Yes, but look at the color, it's the same blue color. So if you want the color effect to be changing every time, so what you need to do is choose the chain pen color by 10 effect. Now if you draw it, look at the color, it's really pretty, right? Okay, but imagine if you have to make your sprite move here and there and draw the circle. So how will you do it? Like what needs to be done? I have an idea. Why don't we make it go to some random position? Okay, so if I make it go to some random position, then what will happen? It will go to some random position, but see, look at this line. But do you think I'm gonna duplicate this again and put it over here? Let's try it. Okay, so I'll put my sprite here and run this. So there's a big line in between, so that isn't working, right? So what is the solution to this? Should I be adding something like pen up? Now let's try this. But before moving forward, I'll just erase everything. Okay, now let's try this. So as you can see, it's not really working. So that is not the way, that is not the correct way to do it. So I'll put this back and I'll teach you something, that is adding blocks. So if you already know how to add blocks, that's really great. If you don't know, then no issues. If you don't know how to add blocks, just click on this my blocks icon and click on make a block. So from here, add a block and name it as circle, just like that, and click on OK. Now see, it says define circle. Now you add all of these codes, just move, leaving this one apart, and move it under define circle. Now what you need to do is come to event, click on when green flag clicked, and yes, of course, add a erase all blocks, so that whenever the green flag is clicked, everything is erased, just like this. Now come to my blocks and add this circle just after this. Then you add the go to random position, and what else? Nothing, just in between you add a pen up, so that the line is not drawn in between two circles. But so nothing really happens yet. So what we need to do is we need to run it on a loop. So we'll be adding a forever block. Yes, that happens. But do you see, everything is getting erased once it's drawn. So what I will do is I will just add this erase all option to the top and just make it erase only once. Yes, so that's perfect, right? But what about the sounds? I mean, it's not yet so lively. So in order to add the sounds, I had already added the music extension. If you haven't added yet, then come to this icon again and add the music extension, right? So from here, what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to add one when green flag clicked icon, and then inside a forever block I'm just going to randomly put some music sounds like play drum, this one, and I'm going to add this once more. I'll just change this and make it a bass drum. Okay, after that I'll add this again and make it a this one, and finally I'm going to choose this again and make it bass drum once again. So that's just a music that I created using these blocks. You can make your own favorite music, right? Okay, so now let's try this on the full screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, then please leave your comments below and share this video as much as you can. And I'm also sharing the link to this project, so if you want you can remix the project and you can also create your own version of this project, right? And do share your links with me. Thanks for watching.